Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to the English class. I hope you all are doing well and stay safe. Keep learning forever. So, in this video, we are going to learn the basic grammar session. Already, we are learning so many topics in the previous classes as well. The 7th standard, we have learnt about articles, nouns, and adverbs, adjectives, like that, right? So in this video we are going to learn the next topic, conjunctions. So what is conjunctions? Already you knew very well about conjunctions because we have learned from second standard onwards, right? So before that I have to explain you what is conjunctions. So definition of conjunction is a word or group of words that join together words, phrases and classes. So nothing but we have learned in the lower classes, second standard, third standard, we have learned about the topic linking words, right? So linking words are called conjunctions. So in this topic we are going to learn about conjunctions and its types, right? Are you ready? Let us learn about conjunctions. The topic conjunctions already we have introduced, right? Can you remember what you have learned in the previous classes? Conjunctions. So what are the types are here? Conjunctions. The first type coordinating conjunctions, and the next one correlative conjunctions, and the third one subordinating conjunctions. So conjunctions have three types. What are they? Coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions, right? So you have to keep in your mind what are the types are here, and as well you knew very well in previous classes, right? So you have learned about conjunctions in the 6th standard, and in this video we are going to learn these three types about conjunctions. These three types about conjunctions with examples. So coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions and subordinative conjunctions, right? Let us see the next one. The first thing, kinds of conjunctions. So already we have learned what are the types are here. Three types are there in conjunctions, right? So what are the kinds of conjunctions? The first one, coordinating. Coordinating in the sense, single word that connect classes of the same level or class, right? So coordinating conjunctions are used to connect classes of same level, right? So you have to keep in your mind what are the example words are here: but, and, or, nor, for, yet, so, etc. So these are the example words of coordinating conjunctions. The next one, correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions in the sense paired words that connect classes of same level or class. So correlative conjunctions அப்படின்னு நம்ம பார்க்கும்போது கண்டிப்பாக அது paired word இருக்கும். பேர்டு வேர்ட்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் ரெண்டு வார்த்தையாக இருக்கலாம், ரெண்டு வார்த்தையா அல்லது அதற்கு மேற்பட்ட வார்த்தைகளாக இருக்கக்கூடியதை நம்ம குவாரலேட்டிவ் கன்ஜங்ஷன்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். சரியா? ஸோ குவாரலேட்டிவ் கன்ஜங்ஷன்ஸ் அப்படின்னு நம்ம பார்க்கும்போது பேர்டு வேர்டாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்துட்டோம் இல்லையா? ஸோ வாட் ஆர் த எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் ஆர் ஹியர்? Both and, not only, but also, either or, neither nor. So these are the paired word examples of correlative conjunctions, right? So coordinative conjunctions அப்படின்னு சொன்னா single word இருக்கும், correlative conjunctions அப்படின்னு சொன்னா paired word இருக்கும், right? The next one, subordinating conjunctions. So what is subordinating conjunctions? Word that introduce the subordinating class and connect to the main class. Nothing but நாம யூஸ் பண்ற independent class dependent class அப்படின்றது உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கும். ஸோ independent class கூட dependent class கனெக்ட் பண்றதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய வார்த்தை தான் subordinating conjunctions. So what are the example words are here? Where, when, after, since, till, until, while, as soon as, before, because, since, if, unless. So these are the words of example subordinating conjunctions, right? So keep in your mind, suppose if you have a pen and note, in the sense it will be better. So you have to take notes from this chart and you can revise easily what are the types are here, right? So what are the types are here? Coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions, right? Let us see the next one. Coordinating conjunctions. So coordinating conjunctions in the sense, what are the words are here? Look at that and look at the example also. For in the sense, it is already oftenly we are using in the sentences, right? For in the sense, we listened eagerly for he brought news of our families, right? So for in the sense, it is using for connect the sentences, right? The next one and also used to connect the sentences or classes or phrases, right? She did not speak anyone to anyone and nobody spoke to her, and nobody spoke to her. Here is a conjunction word is and, right? The next one, nor. I don't expect children to be rude, nor do I expect to be disobeyed, right? So nor in the sense it is one of the conjunctions, right? The next one, but they rushed to the hospital but they were too late, right? So but we are using for that, mentioning the more information about the first sentence, right? அதிகமான இன்ஃபர்மேஷனை ஆட் பண்றதுக்காக நாம யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய வார்த்தை தான் பட் அப்படின்றது. அடுத்தது ஆர், I will go shopping or I will go camping, right? So here we are telling the choices, right? So choices in the sense, or you already knew that what is the mean by or in the sense it is mentioning about choice, right? Not a choice, it is mentioning about the either or, right? So idu alladhu adu அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? So that is a likewise here we are using alladhu. And the last next one, yet Kelly was convicted criminal, yet many people admired him. So Kelly was convicted criminal in the sense, yet many people admired him. Yet in the sense it is a Tamil meaning innum, right? So innum எல்லாத்துக்கும் அவனை பிடிக்கும், அவன் வந்து கிரிமினலாவே இருந்தாலும் எல்லாத்துக்கும் பிடிக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுனால நாம இங்க yet யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். The next one, so I was feeling hungry, so I made myself a sandwich. I was feeling hungry, so is making here as a reason or else the result, right? So we used to say the result using these conjunctions, right? So I was feeling hungry, so I made myself a sandwich. So coordinating conjunction is nothing but we are single word that connect classes of same level. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு ஒரு கீவேர்டு அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஈஸியாக நீங்கள் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிறது, கோஆர்டினேட்டிங் கன்ஜங்ஷன்ஸை ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிறதுக்காக ஃபேன் பாய்ஸ் அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஃபேன் பாய்ஸ் அப்படின்றது நத்திங் பட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெட்டர்ஸ் ஆஃப் தீஸ் கன்ஜங்ஷன்ஸ், ரைட்? லுக் அட் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் letter of these conjunctions, f, for in the sense f, and, nor, but, or, et, so இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெட்டர்ல எல்லாம் எடுத்தோம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? ஃபேன் பாய்ஸ் அப்படின்ற வேர்டு கிடைக்கும். ஸோ ஃபேன் பாய்ஸ் ஆக்ரானிம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஃபேன் பாய்ஸ் அப்படின்றது வந்து நாம இந்த வார்த்தைகளோட ஷார்ட் ஃபார்ம் தான். இதை நாம வந்து ஈஸியா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க முடியும், ரைட்? ஸோ த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், common subordinating conjunctions. So subordinating conjunction in the sense words that introduce the subordinating class and connect it to the main class, right? So subordinating class அப்படின்றது என்ன? Connect to the main class. Subordinating classல இருந்து நாம அதாவது டிபெண்டன்ட் கிளாஸை வந்து இண்டிபெண்டன்ட் கிளாஸ் கூட கனெக்ட் பண்ற வார்த்தைகள். ஸோ அதுல வந்து ஒரு சில டைப்ஸ் இருக்கு. வாட் ஆர் தே? let us see that one by one. Time related conjunctions. Time related conjunctions in the sense, what are the words are here? After, as soon as long as, before, once, still, until, when, whenever, while. So these are the words used to mention the time related conjunctions. The next one, concession and comparison conjunctions. So what are the comparison conjunctions are there? Although, as though, even though, just as, though, whereas, in contrast to. So these are the words about concession and comparison conjunctions. The next one, cause conjunctions. Cause conjunctions in the sense, when we are mentioning the reason of the sentences, it is called cause conjunctions. So what are the words are here? As, because, in order that, since, so that. So these are the words about cause conjunctions. The next one, condition conjunctions. Condition conjunctions in the sense, when we are used to mention the conjunction to mention the condition, right? So condition அப்படினு பாக்கும்போது நமக்கு conditional classes will be here. We are using the word as a condition, right? So what are the words are here? Even if, in case, provided that, unless. So these are the words used to mention the condition. The next one, place conjunctions. Place conjunctions in the sense where, whenever, whereas. So these are the words for example of place conjunctions, right? So we have learnt common subordinating conjunctions. Before that, we should know about what is subordinating conjunctions, right? So subordinating conjunctions that introduce the subordinating class and connect it to the main class, right? So whenever we are asking the question to you, you have to say the answer, what is subordinating conjunction and what is correlating conjunction and what is coordinating conjunctions, right? That is the main thing here. We are learning about the topic conjunctions, right? The next one, so correlative conjunctions. So correlative conjunctions, in the sense, already we knew that it is paired words are here. So correlative conjunctions have two words, right? So hardly when, such that, neither, nor, whether, or, as, rather than, scarcely when, both, and, not only but also, either, or, so as, no sooner than, the more, so that. So these are the example words of correlative conjunctions. Let us see the example sentences also. The first one, I heard hardly closed my eyes when she came, right? And the next one, so it will come both words in the same sentences. That is why it is called correlative conjunctions, right? The next one, he is such a smart boy that he passes his math exam successfully, right? Such that, both words came in the same sentence, right? The next one, neither George nor his brother is very tall, right? So it is a paired word. The next one, he must do it whether he likes it or not. He is not singing as loudly as he can. I would rather go out than stay at home today. Scarcely had I gone to bed when the doorbell rang. Michael can both read and write. Not only Mary, but also Gabriel is from Italy. I can have either cola or tea. Her story isn't so boring as theirs. We had no sooner gone to bed than the phone rang. The more you can dream, the more you can do. My mother speaks so quickly that nobody understands what she says, right? So these are the words, example words of correlative conjunctions and its functions also, right? So correlative conjunction, in the sense, it is a paired words that connect classes of the same level or class, right? எப்போவுமே paired word தான் வரக்கூடியது, ரெண்டுமே same sentenceல கண்டிப்பாக இருக்கும், right? You can identify easily what is the type of conjunctions, right? Coordinating conjunction, in the sense, single word. Correlative conjunction, in the sense, paired word. And subordinating conjunctions, most probably we are mentioning about time and place. So these are the identification of subordinating conjunctions. The next one, kinds of subordinating conjunctions. So first we should know about kinds of subordinating conjunctions, right? The first one, of manner, introduce adverb classes of manner, right? So manner, introduce adverb classes of manner. She looked as if she had seen a ghost, right? So if, in the sense, it is a manner of conjunctions, right? The next one, place, introduce adverb class of place. She buys fruits where they need or available in plenty. Of time, introduce adverb class of time, right? So in a time, manner, place, reason, consequences, purpose, condition, contrast, comparison. So these are the types of subordinating conjunctions, right? So don't get any confusion on this. Just look at the kinds of subordinating conjunctions of manner, right? Manner, it is, in the sense, when we are mentioning about the manner. And the next one, of place, time, reason, consequences or result, purpose and condition, contrast and comparisons, right? These are the kinds of subordinating conjunctions, right? So example sentences also being here. If you get any doubts on this topic, just watch once again till the end. You can learn the topic very well, right? Even though if you get any doubts on this video, just watch a previous class video. You can learn the basic and then come to the 7th standard video, right? So this is the 7th standard. We have learned about conjunctions, right? Keep in your mind and take notes from this. Then only you can revise it easily whenever you need, right? So kinds of subordinating conjunctions. What are the types are here? We have to revise all those things what we have learnt in this video, right? So we have learnt about three types. What are they? Coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions, right? So coordinating conjunctions in the sense single words that connect class of the same level or class. Correlative conjunctions in the sense paired words that connect classes of the same level or class. Subordinating conjunctions, words that introduce the subordinating class and connect it to the main class, right? So we have come to the end of the session. You have to revise all those things what you learnt in this video, right? So keep in your mind, we have learnt three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions, and kinds of subordinating conjunctions and uses of coordinating and correlative conjunctions we have learnt about in this video, right? So we will see the next video with other interesting pictures as well the flow charts and interesting topic. Until then, you have to keep learning and stay safe in your home. Thank you. Have a marvelous day for all. Thank you. Have a marvelous day.